My name is Jesse. I'm lead designer at Modern Twig. I originally started my own design firm out of college, helping people design their kitchens and bathrooms. I actually picked up a job at Ikea being their kitchen designer, and it quickly grew to something that I had a passion for. My approach as a designer is to really listen to our clients and try to present some solutions that will improve their day-to-day life. We try to kind of bridge the gap between making sure that the space is functional and making sure that it looks nice with the materials and the product that we use. What I like best about being a Modern Twig's lead designer, being a part of a team that really cares. I know that a good design is only as good as the product that's executed in the shop. So what's unique about Modern Twig's design offerings is we're really the only shop that can bridge the gap between manufacturing and custom installation at an affordable price. We manufacture all of our cabinet fronts locally in Los Angeles, and so we really have control over the quality that we put out there. It's affordable and it's turnkey. I believe customers choose Modern Twig because of the experience that we can offer here. We start with a consultation. We create 2 initial layouts. After that, unlimited revisions. So we want to make sure that your project is perfect once it gets designed before we move to the ordering process. We'll populate shopping carts. You can place an entire kitchen order from the comfort of your living room. One of the design goals for La Crescenta project was to create a clean, timeless, and classic kitchen. And there's really nothing more timeless than a white shaker style kitchen. The homeowner had a lot of great ideas, and it was my goal to make sure that we executed those. They needed some pantry space. They were purchasing new appliances that fit better with their family needs. A good installation is really key to a lot of the projects that we do. How the panel edges meet the face of the doors, making sure that all the fillers are flush with the doors. That really elevates your space from a standard Ikea kitchen to a Modern Twig kitchen. Installation is super simple. You order your boxes from Ikea, you order your custom fronts from us, and any installer can really install these kitchens. For La Crescenta project, the quality of our product really enhanced the space by providing a bright, modern feel and really clean lines, and accented some of the architecture of the home, like the bay window, the farmhouse style sink. One of the design challenges was trying to make a smaller space feel bigger. The way we achieved that process is making sure that we met the goals when it comes to functional needs, but also used materials and textures that are brighter, cleaner, to make the space look larger. The design process was fun, it was easy, and at the end of the day, the family's happy, and that's all we can ask for, is a happy family. Ikea kitchens are awesome, but their door size is not for everybody, so that's kind of where we come in. We create a product that's a little higher end, that's good quality, and it makes your kitchen go from a normal DIY kitchen to something that's a little more custom. At Modern Twig, we elevate your Ikea.